Hello, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cordless air ratchets are sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Kimo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. Trying to thread your ratchet through the parts in your engine or behind a wall in your home is incredibly difficult if you're not using a cordless ratchet like the Kimo Cordless Ratchet. It has an ultra-slim head to maneuver through narrow spaces and a built-in LED light, so you can see where the head needs to go. You also can control the amount of speed you want to use with the variable speed trigger that allows you to increase the speed from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute. This 3/8-inch cordless ratchet has a maximum torque of 40 lbs, and it has an ergonomic handle that helps reduce hand fatigue and resists common chemicals in automotive, marine, and aviation industries. It also features a forward-reverse switch, a trigger lock, and an onboard battery gauge so you can keep track of how much power your battery has remaining. This 12-volt cordless ratchet comes in a protective carrying case and includes 7 common sockets and a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch drive adapter. Number 2. ACDelco 12 volts. Cordless Ratchet Wrench Toolkit. The G12 series from ACDelco shows that a powerful electric ratchet doesn't have to be heavy or bulky. With an output torque that goes up to 57 lbs, this is the most powerful model on this list. It's specially designed for heavy-duty applications, such as working on suspension or drivetrain components. Meanwhile, the durable aluminum housing also helps it to be lighter than most, weighing slightly above 3 pounds. Nonetheless, with a maximum output speed of just 160 rpm, this cordless ratchet is not among the fastest on this list. Still, this is not something that may represent a problem for most users. Unless you are working as a rally mechanic, you probably won't see the difference between 250 and 160 rpm on your timesheet anyway. All in all, the ACDelco G12 series cordless ratchet is a powerful tool that offers great value for money. It's a little more expensive than the Husky model mentioned above and, thus, might be better suited for automotive technicians. On the other hand, if you are an apprentice and you are lucky enough to have the budget for it, you can be sure it will last you for years to come. Number 3. Aoben Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. When you get this cordless ratchet set home, you can begin working almost immediately due to the rapid charging time of the battery charger. Each of the two included 12-volt lithium-ion batteries takes just 1 hour to fully charge. The set also comes with 6 stainless steel sockets in the most common sizes, one 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and a 3-inch extension bar. This electric ratchet wrench offers 12-volt max motor and plenty torque at 40 lbs to remove or install bolts, or nuts. Includes 2 battery, 1 charger and 8 bolts. The cordless ratchet has a maximum torque of 40 lbs and produces a speed of up to 280 revolutions per minute, which can be controlled with the variable speed trigger. This product also has an LED light on the front for better visibility and battery power indicator lights on the side so that you know when you are running low on power. This set comes in a durable plastic case that has organized slots to keep your tools safe when they aren't being used. Number 4. S-Long Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. The S-Long cordless ratchet has a high maximum speed of 400 revolutions per minute and a top torque output of 40 lbs. You can control the power and speed of the 3/8-inch ratchet with the variable speed trigger, but if the battery runs low you can use the included manual ratchet wrench. This set also comes with a built-in LED light, 8 standard sockets, a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and an extension bar. There is a forward, reserve switch on the back of the head and lock switch beside the paddle switch to prevent accidental actuations. Built-in LED lights on the front of the unit illuminates work in dark locations, and the battery power indicator will be turned on automatically when the ratchet wrench is started, so the remaining battery can be observed clearly. The 12-volt cordless ratchet weighs just 1.8 pounds and it has a soft, rubber-coated grip designed to not easily slip out of your hands during use. The included battery charger will fully charge a battery in just 60 minutes, and you can keep track of the charge with the battery power indicator on the ratchet. This cordless ratchet has a forward and reverse switch to change the direction of the rotation and a lock switch to prevent the ratchet from operating if you accidentally press the trigger. Number 5. Eastvolt 12 volts cordless electric ratchet wrench set. The sleek black and red design of this 3/8-inch cordless ratchet will look great in your toolbox or garage, but the real value is the included battery, charger, sockets, socket adapter, and carrying case. This affordable cordless ratchet set has 7 stainless steel sockets, a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and a rapid battery charger that can fully charge the battery in just 1 hour. This product has a 12-volt motor that produces a maximum torque of 35 lbs and a maximum speed of 230 revolutions per minute. A built-in LED light, a slim body, a narrow head, and an anti-slip grip handle allows you to work comfortably in tight places, while the 2-step start switch prevents accidental starts. Convenient safety use and ergonomic design. Designed with 2-step start switch, the lock-off lock prevents accidental start. Forward and reverse switch for easy changing direction. Slim body with anti-slip grip provides comfortable usage and better control. When you are done using the ratchet, you can pack the set away into the included plastic carrying case's organized slots. Thanks for watching the video.